Hey, what's up guys? It is Ty here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find my YouTube channel. So I guess this is a tutorial on how to find it, since I'm relevant now. So, yay, I suppose. But anyway, if you want to see more tutorial videos like this in the future, make sure you leave a like in the video, subscribe, turn all notifications so you never miss a video, and comment below. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on with this tutorial. Okay, so first, you gotta type my name in specifically because that's how my name is spelled on my YouTube channel name. So, and after you put the little dot after the RJ, you push the space bar. So that's how I have it as my YouTube channel name. So then you put in, whoop, no, it's not. Okay, so just forget about the Williamson. That's not how you spell my name. It's Williams. So just pay attention to the red blinking thing in the search. That's how you spell my name. And then you search, and then you see the little boo icon there. You click the YouTube channel, and that's how you find my channel. Yeah, and that's how you find it. So yeah, uh, yeah. So that's how you find my YouTube channel. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a single video, and comment below. And I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.